Today's Wednesday, September 19th. This is the 1975 Cadillac Eldorado AC programmer. The unit has been taken apart and totally rebuilt. I have previous videos showing that. This is for Kerry in New Jersey for his 75 Cadillac Eldorado. This is the replacement power antenna, which is rebuilt and ready to go with a dual prong electrical connector in order to facilitate the up and down switch from the inside of the instrument cluster control panel, as opposed to the original 75, which was the 4-wire variant. It requires the original radio in order to actuate the limiting switch for the partial extension and full retraction upon closing of the radio. So I built this one for Kerry instead, in accordance with the discussion for his mechanics, whereby we'll have just 2 electrical connectors on this pigtail connector, and that'll facilitate the up and down as actuated by the user button for the up and down of the power antenna. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a functional validation test. I'll connect it to power by grounding the unit, and then we have the up polarity and the down polarity, so I'll go ahead and connect the up, and we can watch the antenna extend upwardly. Full extension, the full 36-inch extension. And now I'll go ahead and I'll reverse polarity down here, and we'll get the full retraction. And the unit self-parks, okay, as opposed to the clutch variant. So this is consistent with the 75-76 in terms of having the self-parking feature, but we're not having the limiting switch with the 4 electrical connectors. We're only having 2 electrical connectors. So I'll do it one more time, and there's the extension. And now I'll go ahead and I'll change the polarity, and here's the retraction, and the unit self-parks. Okay, so this unit will be going out to Kerry as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation, along with the AC power servo. This, of course, will not be part of his order, so I'll just remove that. So it's going to be these 2 particular units, and I'll be shipping out immediately the same day I get the okay to ship confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1976 Cadillac Eldorado parts, and I have over 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac parts overall. I rebuild the power antennas, the power servos, the AC programmers, the power seat mechanisms, as well as the steering wheels and steering columns. Thank you very kindly.